Yeah, here we are again. HGLRC Sector V version 2. Just going to have a bit of a fly around, do some more recording. Nothing too serious. Check out my last video. Have a look at this bad boy and its specs. More details are down below. Strong unit. So I'm running the 4S R-Line 1550 on top here. Looking at about 3-4 minutes of flight time. A bit windy here today. Hopefully it won't end up in the grass. Thanks for dropping in, guys. So I'll just do a quick bit of line of sight here, guys, for you. Just going to have a quick scoot around line of sight. I've already flown it a couple of times, and it seems to be behaving okay, so I'll just have a scoot around and do a few yaws and twists and turns. Maybe a bit of a roll here and there. Put in horizon mode there and do a couple of rolls. Line of sight rolling, yeah, I find quite hard, so I do apologise for my crappy flying. Oh, it looks pretty good. Okay. Go back to angle mode and land away. I'm just going to FPV it now, put the goggles on, grab a bit of footage and yeah, go for a scoot around. Yeah, I've had a couple of uncool messages and emails from people saying, oh, why don't you flip and roll, you can't fly for crap. Hey, I'm not the best flyer, absolutely. And the main reason is the goggles I'm using. I'm still waiting for my sky zones to come, but I'm just using these boxies, guys, so yeah, I do apologise, you'll have to bear with me. But these aren't all the best for FPV flying, I'll let you know that right now, because they drop out and they lose signal and everything. There you have it, guys. I'll keep it relatively low just in case it does decide to fall out of the sky. Got to be a bit careful, guys, as it is a little bit windy here. I'm not going to do too many rolls and flips and tucks and berms, and I'm not going to do too much crazy stuff. Just want to get some SQ13 footage and have a nice safe fly around without going quad hunting or ending up in that pool of water. Okay, big gust of wind and let's get ready for it. Fight the wind away. Okay. We'll try and do a couple of rolls here for you guys, just to keep the haters off my back. What are we down to? 14 volts? Okay. Just about ready to bring her home. Okay. Okay, a little bit low on power now, so I'm going to start bringing it home, guys. Notice when the power does get low, all of a sudden she just drops out without warning, which I don't want to do. 14.7. fun unit, absolutely gang. Check out my link below if you want to grab this bad boy for yourself and help me out as well if you click on my link and make yourself an awesome purchase. This thing's way cool. I love it. Okay, let's bring it home. And home we come. I can feel the battery starting to deplete now. Great stuff. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Whack me a thumbs up, whack me a comment. Super appreciated. In the sky. Bye for now, Sky Pilot. Catch you later.